A very good morning to my dear students. I hope you all are safe and secure. Stay home, stay safe. Welcome to today's English class. Today we are going to begin our Unit 7. The theme of the unit is theatre. This unit consists of 3 readings. Reading A, The Trial. Reading B, Antony's Speech Poem. Reading C, Mahatma Gandhi Pushed Out of Train. Look at these pictures, children. What are the pictures about? Can you identify? Yes, the pictures are about skits or plays performed by children. And what are the children doing in the picture? The children in the pictures are taking part in skits, plays. What are the pictures about here? Yes, the pictures are about skits performed by children. What are the children doing in the pictures? The children in the pictures are taking part in skits. Now children, can you guess the themes of each skit? Now let us go through one by one. The theme of the skit in the first picture is classroom unity. The theme of the skit in the second picture is about the importance of our tradition and culture. The theme of the skit in the third picture is about the care and concern of old parents. Now let us come to the lesson. Reading A, The Trial. About the dramatist. Meaning of dramatist, a person who writes plays. A person who writes a plays or skits is called a dramatist. So about the dramatist of the lesson The Trial, George Bernard Shaw was born on July 26, 1856 in Dublin, Ireland. In the early 90s, Shaw wrote several plays. These plays were about political themes and issues concerning party and women rights. He wrote Man and Superman in 1902, John Bull's Other Island 1904, and Major Barbara 1905. In 1914, he wrote Saint Joan, which is considered to be one of his masterpieces. He won the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1925. Shaw wrote over 50 plays during his literary career. Right until the time of his death on November 2nd, 1950, Shaw remained committed to the socialist cause. Joan of Arc, born in 1412, was a French peasant girl who claimed that the voices of saints had told her she was called on by God to aid her country. So, Joan of Arc was a French peasant girl, meaning of peasant, a poor agricultural laborer of low social status. So, she is a poor agricultural laborer girl. She said that the voices of saints, meaning of saint, virtuous and regarded in Christian faith as being in heaven after death. So the saints have told her that she was called, meaning of called, asked to do something, meaning of aid, help. So she claimed that the voices of saints had told her she was called on by God to help her country. This French national heroine took to the field of battle during the 100 Years' War. This war goes on from 1337 to 1453. So this French national heroine, she took the part in this battle of field during this 100 Years' War. She took the part in the battle of field. At the time, the desperate French army had suffered a number of losses to English. So during the war, the desperate French army suffered a number of losses to the English. But John brought renewed confidence by lifting the siege of Orleans in 9 days and taking back the city of Reims. She was soon captured by the English. Meaning of siege, capture. Meaning of Orleans, golden. Meaning of capture, control by force. But what did she do? Joan brought renewed confidence by lifting the siege of Orleans in 9 days and taking back the city of Reims. But she was soon captured by the English. Joan of Arc, who had been caught by the British in the war, was imprisoned and presented before the court. But she was controlled by the force, but the English caught Joan and they were imprisoned and brought her to the court. Introduction of the characters in the lesson. First character, Inquisitor. Brother John Lemaître, a seemingly mild elderly man. Canon John d'Estevette, the chief prosecutor. Canon de Courcelles, the Canon of Paris. He is a young priest who helps to compile 64 charges against John. Brother Martin Lat Venu, a young monk assigned to be John's confessor. Cauchon, the academic theologian who represents the considered wisdom of the church. The chaplain, a clergy man. Meaning of Inquisitor. Officer of the Inquisitions. Rouen, 30 May 1431. A great stone hall in the castle, arranged for a trial at law. There are 2 raised chairs side by side for the bishop and the inquisitor as judges. Meaning of bishop, a clergyman who supervises a number of local churches. Meaning of inquisitor, officer of the Inquisition. So, the 2 raised chairs are arranged in the middle of the inner end in the castle for the bishop and the inquisitors, who are the judges. The judicial chairs and scribes table are to the right. Meaning of judicial, legal. Meaning of scribe, a person who copies a document. A person who copies a document who is sitting nearby the table. So they are sitting side by the prisoner's stool. The prisoner's stool is to the left. There are arch doors right and left. So arch doors, you can have the arch, you have the designs, you will be having at the designs now. These are the arch doors right and left. It is a fine sunshiny May morning. So it is a fine sunshiny May morning. The inquisitor. Let the accused be brought in. Here the whole lesson is the trial of John. Here, the inquisitor ordered the accused to be brought in. Ladvenu, calling the accused. So here Ladvenu calls the accused. Let her be brought in. So let her be brought in. John, chained by the ankles, is brought in through the arch door behind the prisoner's stool by a guard of English soldiers. So John was chained by the ankles. So the ankles were chained and she's brought through the arch door behind the prisoner's stool. So behind the prisoner's stools, they were standing, the guard, English soldiers were guarding the John. With them is the executioner and his assistants. Along with them, executioner, meaning of executioner, a person who executes criminals. Along with the executioner, his assistants also followed John. They led her to the prisoner's stool and placed themselves behind it after taking off her chain. So, slowly they led her to the prisoner's stool. They took her to the prisoner's stool and placed themselves behind it. And they, both the executioner and the assistants, placed behind the prisoner's stool and they took away the chain of her. She wears a page black suit. She wears, who is she here? Joan. John wears a page black suit. The inquisitor. Kindly sit down, John. So the inquisitor says John to sit down. She sits on the prisoner's stool. So where did the John sit? She sits on the prisoner's stool. You look very pale today. Are you not? Well. So the inquisitor questions John that you are looking very dull today. So are you not feeling well? John, thank you. So the inquisitor questions the John, are you not feeling well? For that John gives the answer, thank you, I am well enough. But the bishop sent me some carp and it made me ill. So she says that the bishop sent me some carp, meaning of carp, fish, and made me ill. So because of eating the carp, it made me ill. I am feeling little bit ill. Caution, I am sorry. I told them to see that it was fresh. So Caution says that I am sorry. I told them to give John a fresh carp, a fresh fish, and look after that. John, you meant to be good to me. I know, but it is a fish that does not agree with me. The English thought you were trying to poison me. So here John said that you meant good to me. It is good to me. So why you send the carp to me? I know that the fish does not agree with me. The English thought that you were trying to poison me. So here John looked unwell as she ate some stale carp. Caution said that he was sorry for that. Caution and the chaplain John. Together. What? No, my lord. Continuing. They are determined that I shall be burnt as a witch, and they sent their doctor to cure me. But he was forbidden to bleed me because the silly people believe that a witch's witchery leaves her if she is bled. So he only called me filthy names. Why do you leave me in the hands of the English? I should be in the hands of the church. And why must I be changed by the feet to a log of wood? Are you afraid? I will fly away. Meaning of witch, a woman having magical powers. Meaning of filthy, dirty names. John expressed her feelings that she would be burned as a witch. The doctor sent to her did not cure her and did not bleed her. Because if she bleeds, the silly people thinks that the witchery would leave her. And yes, the doctor only called John a filthy, means dirty names. So the John questions them. Why should I be changed by the feet of log of wood? Why should I be changed? Why are my hands changed and why are my feet logged with a wood? So are you afraid that I am going to fly away, run away from the prison? The estivate. Harshly. Woman, it is not for you to question the court. It is for us to question you. So de-estivate harshly, very angrily says to woman, it is not you to question the court. It is we have to question you. Curseless. When you were left unchained, did you not try to escape by jumping from a tower 60 feet high? If you cannot fly like a witch, how is it that you are still alive? So Curseless raised the question to John that when you were left unchained, when the chains are removed, you escaped from a tower of 60 feet. You jumped from the tower of 60 feet high. If you just flied like a witch. So how is it that you are still alive? That means he raised the question that when you jump from a tower of 60 feet high, how you were alive. Because you are a witch, so why you are alive? John, I suppose because the tower was not so high then. So John gives the answer that yes, I suppose because the tower was not so high, so why I am alive. It has grown higher every day since you began asking me questions about it. So simply John gives the answer that so day by day the tower, you are going on asking the questions, so day by day the tower is increasing. So she simply plays a joke. De-estivate. Why did you jump from the tower? So de-estivate questions Joan that why did you jump from the tower? Joan. How do you know that I jumped? So Joan questions de-estivate that how do you know that I jumped from the tower? De-estivate. You were found lying in the moat. So de-estivate says that you were found lying in the moat. Meaning of moat, a deep channel around a castle. It was a deep channel around a castle. Why did you leave the tower? So he said that you were found in the moat. So why did you leave the tower? Joan. Why would anybody leave a prison if they could get out? So Joan says that if anybody gets a chance to leave the prison, why they will go out. De-estivate. You tried to escape. So de-estivate says that you tried to escape. Joan. Of course I did. And not for the first time either. So Joan said that yes, of course I did. I tried to escape from the prison, but it is not the first time. If you leave the door of the cage open, the bird will fly out. So she gives the example of a bird that if the cage is open, definitely the bird will fly out. In the same way, I also wanted to fly out. De-estivate. Rising. That is a confession of heresy. I call the attention of the court to it. So de-estivate with rising voice, he said that that is a confession. Meaning of confession, a statement of admitting crime or mistake. Meaning of heresy, a belief which is against the principle of Christianity. So you did a big mistake that you were against the principle of Christianity. I call the attention of the court to it. John. Heresy, he calls it. I am a heretic because I try to escape from a prison. Meaning of heretic, a person believing in heresy. So he says that, John says that I will try to escape from the prison. This is the story of the trial part 1. Once again, let us go through the lesson. Joan of Arc was a French peasant girl. She was born in 1942. She claimed that the voices of saints had told her she was called on by God to help her country. This French national heroine took to the field of the battle during the 100 Years' War, 1337 to 1453. During the war, the desperate French army suffered a number of losses to the English. But Joan brought renewed confidence by lifting the siege of Orleans in 9 days and taking back the city of Reims. She was captured by the English soon. Joan of Arc had been captured in the war by the British. She was imprisoned and presented before the court. In the court, there are 6 characters: the Inquisitor, de-estivate, Curcellus, Brother Ladvenu, Cauchon, and the chaplain. The whole lesson is the trial of Joan. The Inquisitor ordered the accused to be brought in. She was brought in chained to a log of wood and was asked to sit down on a stool meant for her. Joan looked unwell as she ate some stale carp. Cauchon said that he was sorry for that. Joan expressed her feelings that the English were trying to burn her as a witch. They sent a doctor to cure her, but the doctor was not allowed to bleed her on the belief that if she was bled, her victory would leave her. The doctor only called her by filthy names. Joan wanted to be the hands of the church and not to be the hands of English. She questioned the validity of chaining her by feet to a log of wood. She said that she would not fly away if not bound in chains. In the court, the next point of argument between de-estivate, Curcellus, and Joan was Joan escaped from the prison by jumping from the tower. De-estivate called it heresy. Joan said that it was not heresy, but it was a natural act, just like a bird would fly away from an open cage. Let us go through the glossary of the lesson. Meaning of peasant, a poor agricultural laborer of low social status. Meaning of saint, virtuous and regarded in Christian faith as being in heaven after death. Meaning of aid, help. Meaning of desperate, feeling or showing a hopeless sense that a situation is so bad as to be impossible to deal with. Meaning of call on, ask somebody to do something. Meaning of sage, capture. Meaning of alliance, golden. Meaning of capture, control by force. Meaning of castle, fort. Meaning of inquisitor, officer of the Inquisition. Meaning of bishop, a clergyman who supervises a number of local churches. Meaning of trial, the hearing of statements and showing of objects, etc. in a law court to judge if a person is guilty of a crime or to decide a case or a legal matter. Meaning of judicial, legal. Meaning of scribe, a person who copies a document. Meaning of the accused, a person on trial. Meaning of executioner, a person who executes criminals. Meaning of page, a youth being trained for the medieval rank of knight and in the personal service of knight, a youth attendant. Meaning of carp, fish. Meaning of witch, a woman having magical powers. Meaning of filthy, dirty. Meaning of moat, a deep channel around a castle. Meaning of confession, a statement of admitting crime or mistake. Meaning of heresy, a belief which is against the principle of Christianity. Let us discuss some few question answers from the given paragraph. First question, who is the speaker of these lines, children? Yes, John is the speaker of these lines. Why are they determined to burn her? Why are they determined, children? Why did they want to burn Joan? Because they felt that she turned against the church and the God. They are determined that I shall be burnt as a witch. What does the word they refer to? So what does the word they refer to in the given sentence? They refer to the English. They refer to the English. What type of text is this passage? So now this is very important, children. You should know what type of text is this passage. So the text in the passage is a play. It is a drama. Why did the doctor not bleed her? Why did the doctor not bleed her? Because if she, who is she here? Joan. If Joan is bleeded, her witchery would leave her. Then they cannot burn her. If she is proved as a witch, they can burn her. So they thought that Joan should not bleed. Did they really want to cure her? How can you say? So did they really want to cure her children? No. They only wanted people to believe that they tried to cure her. The people, they did not cure her, but they tried to believe that the people that they are trying to cure her. What did the doctor do? Yes, what did the doctor do, children? Yes, the doctor called her filthy names. Read the lesson once again, children, and write the glossary and comprehension in your classwork and send it to my given WhatsApp number. Thank you.